Hi to all the fans of Lollapalooza.
I'm Roger Taylor.
I'm John Taylor. We're from Duran Duran and we're here at Lollapalooza in Argentina. We watched a lot of the bands in Sao Paulo because we knew here we got to get out of town after the show tonight.
I mean, there were some amazing acts on there. The XX were incredible. We all watched The Weekend and they were like mind-blowing as well. So, I mean, that's one of the reasons why we'd come here, because we saw the array of talent that was going to be on show here, and we just wanted to be part of that talent that was playing here. So it was incredible, as I'm sure tonight will be as well.
We're not the kind of band that is rooted in a particular style of music. We're pretty eclectic. We like different kinds of music. That's our job, really, is just keep refreshing.
And I think that the reason we're playing here today is because the songs have stood the test of time, and we've always known how to put on a decent show.
Jolly
decent show. So I think that's why we're here, you know.